In this video, I'm going to show you how we can merge different branches together. So let's see how we can do this thing. So before going the details, at first we need to find out what are the branches available. For git, we can use the git command, git branch, and then if we hit return key of our keyboard, then we'll see these are the branches. So right now we see there are 3 branches: checkout, dev1, and main. Dev1 is the current branch which is pointing. Suppose, for example, I develop couple of lines of code or modified or do some editing here inside the dev. Now at first we need to check whether this is developed properly or not. So we can easily check by typing the command git status. That means nothing is there, so everything is committed, right? No new thing is there. Now I need to merge this thing with whom? So with main, right? So for example, I can merge this or this, but it depends. For example, for my case, I need to merge this dev1 with main. So what we need to do? We must need to go to main, because this will be the active directory, and from active location, active branch, we can only merge. So what is the thing we are going to do? Then I'm going to merge dev1 with main, right? So main will be the main code and dev will be added on top of it. So how we can do this thing? So at first I'm going to switch to main branch. So we can easily switch the main branch by typing the git checkout command, and then we have to mention the name of the branch. The name of the branch is main, and now it's like that. We can make sure double by typing the command git branch, and it will show us that we are right now in main branch. Basically there is asterisk and the green color. Now what we need to do? We need to merge this thing with my active code. So what we need to do? At first we need to check whether our main is up to date or not. We can check, we can do by typing the command like git pull origin main, and here it is showing branch is already up to date. So that means we can easily merge now. So to merge the this dev with main, basically, so we need to type the command git merge. Then we have to mention the branch name. So dev we want to merge, right, with my active. So right now we are in this active branch, right? So this branch need to be merged with here. So I need to type the name of the branch dev1, and then once we type merge, once we type this command git merge dev1, then we have to hit enter key, return key, and here we see this is the details: on file change, 3 insertion, create mode, this is this thing dev1 text. Okay, so now it merged successfully. Now we can verify whether it is really merged properly or not. Let me jump back to the main. So let me check which is the branch right now. Git branch is main. So now we can go to the code, and here we can see like this is the thing which we have, right? Before we didn't have this thing, and that's it. In this way we can easily merge the code using git.